morning everyone. I am Ankita Singh. Meet my friend Charu Singh. We both are from GGIC Vijayanagar Ghaziabad. We are here to explain our model which is best farming solution with AI and IoT based agriculture robot, which is very amazing and helpful gadget for farmers, gardeners, for field and farming under the topic agriculture. Plants. Plants can survive without human, but human can't survive without plants. As we all know that plants and crops are very important for life cycle. Our Bharat is a developing country. That's why we have shortage of land. So we do floor-wise farming just like we make bird house to protect bird species. We made it 3 floors. First floor for rice crop, second floor for pisciculture and third floor for aquaponic farming. In first floor we grow rice crop because rice crop need more water and less sunlight. Sunlight is provided by these mirror reflection and water is provided by 2 ways. First from fish pond and second from rainwater and groundwater. For rainwater we do rainwater harvesting. All the rainwater is collected into a tank. In second floor we do pisciculture. Generally we say fish farming because fish waste is very good fertilizer. In third floor we do aquaponic farming. Aquaponic farming is done by water and fertilizer without soil. In aquaponic farming we grow leafy vegetables such as coriander, leaves, herbs, etc. The second part of my model is based on field farming. In the field farming, the entrance of wild animal is a big issue. It can be minimized or can be resolved by this security alarm device which we make with the help of ultrasonic sensor. With the help of this security alarm device, it sends the animal and creates a broad. And this is a Palari burner. We burn Palari here. During burning Palari, light energy and heat energy release. Through solar panel, we convert light energy into electrical energy and heat. We convert heat energy into mechanical energy by rotating turbine. And all the smoke is sucked by these chimney and collect into these containers. After connecting these smoke, we eliminate the carbon atom and sail out for useful purpose. And all the ash is collected into these containers. We use ash as a fertilizer. And this is a fire alarms with sprinkle water. These fire sensors sense the fire and sprinkle water on the fireplace. Now, the most important part of a model is the Dr. Sun robot. Doctor for cure plant and Sun for helping hand. This doctor task in field-wise farming or floor-wise farming too. My Dr. Sun robot is IoT and AI based. IoT, Internet of Things. Internet of Things are the network of physical objects or things are embedded with sensors, software and other technology for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data through other device by the help of Arduino Uno. As we all know that today's generation is avoid to do farming. That's why it is very important to know how can we save farming. We can save farming through this amazing robot. It can perform 5 major tasks of farming, just like it dig the pit, it sow the seed, it plane the field, it spray the water, and it sprinkles, and it harvests the crop. With the help of this robot, we can perform this task. In the front part of this, there is a time tiller, which can make the rows. In the second part of this, it dispenses the seed. And in the back part, it planes the field. And for the irrigation purpose, a water tank is here, which can spray the water and also the liquid fertilizer. And for the harvesting, a cutter is attached at the lower part of this robot. But most important part of my model is based on AI, artificial intelligence used in many fields to automate tasks done by humans, include customer services, fraud detection, etc. By just uploading a single picture of sick plant, it's tell you which disease is caused and also tell you treatments about the plant. My model is cost efficient and it increases the production rate of agriculture and decrease the sickness of plant. Through these, you can do your farming work as well as your studies. work hard.